Agricultural equipment is something that I have no experience in, so it was a great experience to be able just to dive in and get hands-on with this kind of stuff, and a class like this is exactly the type of thing that gives me the confidence that I'll be able to work on my own equipment in the future, and every cent that I save on maintenance costs that I can do myself is another dollar in the bank.
I plan to teach high school students, 7th through 12th grade actually, different components of agriculture. And so this directly, I would tie this into an ag mechanics course or even maybe a crop science course.
This class opens me up to new opportunities, new people, and new connections, so I can learn more about precision agriculture, more about the equipment and stuff we're utilizing in agriculture, and be able to apply it to sustain better agriculture in the future.
I really want to own like a winery when I'm older in a vineyard. So just like being able to know like what type of tractors I need to buy and like how to drive them, what the maintenance would look like day to day. So I think this course is really helpful in that aspect of just like knowing what to do, knowing what to look for.
In my profession, if I want to work with data, I have to be able to understand what that data means and how farmers are using it, and understand how they use basic tools like a tractor is important. Agriculture modeling is used in both regulation and policy and farmer planning, and so one misunderstanding on our part of how they operate their businesses, it can cost them millions of dollars.
Being a woman in this trade is definitely very difficult sometimes, so having the opportunity to learn it in an equitable space has meant a lot to me.